Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on subscribe button for more videos. Thank you. Today we have this challenge. We are asked to find for the value of x 4 raised power x plus 4 raised power x to be equal to 80. So let's get started. Solution. So we have 4 raised power x plus 4 raised power x to be equal to 80. So 4 raised power here, 4 raised power x and this 4 raised power x are common, so we can easily factor out 4 raised power x. So we have 4 raised power x into bracket 1 plus 1 to be equal to 80. So this shows that 4 raised power x dot 2 will be equal to 80. So divide both by 2, divide by 2. These two cancel out these two. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 40. So we are now left with 4 raised power x to be equal to 40. So we can rewrite this 40 as 2 raised power 2 times 10. This shows that we have 4 raised power x to be equal to 2 raised power 2 times 10. So I want to apply ln, that is natural log, to both sides. So I will be having ln of 4 raised power x to be equal to ln of 2 raised power x plus 10. So considering the rules of log, so if you have this, so you can easily rewrite this as x ln of 4 to be equal to ln of 2 raised power 2 plus ln of 10 according to rule of ln. So, and if you look at this critically, so you can easily divide both sides by ln of 4, by ln of 4. So this ln of 4 cancel out ln of 4. So now we are now having x to be equal to ln of 2 raised power 2 plus ln of 10 divided by ln of 4. So, and we can as well split this by saying x to be equal to 2 ln of 2 plus ln of 10 divided by ln of 2 raised power 2. So we can as well rewrite this further by saying 2 ln of 2 plus ln of 10 divided by 2 ln of 2. So we can split this by saying x to be 2 ln of 2 divided by 2 ln of 2 plus ln of 10 divided by 2 ln of 2. So therefore this cancel out this, and our x will go to 1 plus ln of 10 divided by 2 ln of 2. So if you use calculator to look for the value of ln of 10 divided by 2 ln of 2, it will give you around 1.6609. So if you had this particular one, so your final answer will be x will be around 2.66 approximately. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.